Have you dated an introvert, or considered it? If you're in a relationship with one, or if you're pondering the best personality type for you to date, here are surprising reasons introverts make better partners. Introverts can date introverts or extroverts. Two introverts can be happy as a couple, spending weekends together yet separately, watching movies, reading books, quietly walking or shopping. Introverts can also make excellent partners for extroverts, helping to slow the party on wheels extrovert down, resulting in much-needed relaxation time. If you are on the fence about dating an introvert, hopefully you're convinced of the distinct advantages of dating one. Go ahead and dust off your introvert pickup lines or create your own. Just know that the introvert will probably take time to warm up to you, but when they do, and if the relationship is right for them, the fire will blaze hot and heavy.